Hey, what's up? It's Travis from Play Love Smart. I'm going to talk to you today about how you can make money on social media, and it's not going to take you 6 months or a year to get paid. Excuse me. You can get paid today. No joke. This is one of the ways I've been making money online, and I got into it by accident, and it's not the traditional way of making money with social media. Like everybody else says, you got to get a YouTube channel, you got to create a Instagram or a Facebook following, fan page, none of that stuff. No email list. It could come into play later, but to get started making money today, it doesn't have to be that way. You can. Um, so let me talk to you about. First off, is so there's a lot of people out there who know how to run a business, they know how to create business, they know how to build a business. They just don't know how to use social media. They don't even realize how much it could help their business grow. And that's where you come into play. So, I'll tell you the story is I was at my gym one day and I was getting done with my workout and just used the massage chairs at Planet Fitness, and I was leaving and this old man came up to me and he was like, "Hey, you want a $10 off for a massage?" I'm like, $10 off for a massage? What? And he hands me a business card. He's like, "My wife and I just started a business, and if you'd like a massage, go. She's gonna, you know, take care of you. She works wonders. She's gonna give you a good deal." So I'm like, "No, no thanks." I took the business card and I was walking back to my car. As I was thinking, I was like, "Okay, this is interesting. This guy wants to, you know, grow his business on foot. Very desperate, like so." Um, and he yells at me, "Hey, hey!" I'm down the road. I'm like, what does this guy want? I already told him no for the massage. And he goes, "Hey, do you want to help me?" And I go, "Help you with what?" "You want to help me hold a sign today for the business and help bring in some people?" And I'm like, "No, no thanks." He's like, "I'll pay you $10 an hour." I'm like, $10 an hour? No, thank you. And it's like, man, $10 an hour. Maybe 20 years ago that might be okay when when I was getting out of high school, but no thanks, sir. I don't want to hold a sign. The only signs I'm interested in are dollar signs. But so he goes, "Come on, man." I was like, "No thanks." And I said, "Hey, what's going on? Like, is your business new? Are you getting any traffic?" And he's like, it's like, "How old you been open?" He's like, 10 days now." And I'm like, "You getting any traffic? Any people coming in?" "Yeah, we've got a couple." I'm like, "Oh, okay. You know, that's okay. What kind of online presence do you have?" And he's like, uh, "We got a picture up on Yelp." I'm like, "Picture up on Yelp?" I was like, "That's it?" He's like, "That's it. That's all we got. I really just need someone to hold a sign. Can you? That's all we need." I'm like, "No. Like, you really need to, create an online community and build your reputation up, because the only people I know on Yelp are going on online to roast other businesses. They're not going to help you." He's like, "Oh, okay." And he started asking questions like, what kind of stuff are you talking about here? It's like, you need to build a community. You need to utilize all the social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, um, maybe even a YouTube channel for you guys, and put some videos or posts out there and get some people building a reputation up for you, because not everybody who you know wants to spend money at a massage place or any other business is gonna do it on impulse. They're gonna do their research and they're gonna go online and then look to see where the best places are. And if you don't have a community supporting you and lifting you up that way, then you're not gonna make it. The holding the sign is only good for the short term. I had no idea I was gonna go into a sales pitch here, but I did, and I used to be in sales in a car dealership, Honda, and sold Hondas for a long time, and many other industries too. But I told him, I was like, okay, yeah, we really need to get you a business, online business presence going. And he's like, started to think about it, and I started to go right into the pitch even more. I was like, I can help you out, not that much money, and once your business starts to grow, I can charge more than that. But for right now, it won't be that much money. And I got paid right there that day. He wrote me a check, and this guy was driving a Mercedes, a nice white, great condition. I don't remember what, maybe an E-Class, but I knew he had money, so I could ask for money. And I knew he was desperate because I could sense it. He was coming to me for business. So what I'm saying to you is you could go out there, you can research other companies online. You can look for companies that are doing okay or not doing okay, but you maybe ones that are just surviving, and you can help them out. And you can use my pitch, and especially if they have no online presence, you can see for yourself. Just do some research, look around your neighborhood, and you could do just like what I did, and you can start making money today. And after 4 or 5 hours of work a week, you can get it up and going. And 4 or 5 hours a week will do a lot for a business like that. Maybe even a little bit more getting started out in the beginning. But and you can grow this online presence for businesses and make money and start charging more as they start to grow. So hope you like this video. If you did, hit the subscribe. If you haven't already, like, comment, all that good stuff. And until next time, have a good one. Thanks, guys.